Hello, everyone. I'm Sakshi Mittal, and I'm going into my third year of the Commerce program and I'm specializing in accounting. I'm also the president of the DeGroote Accounting Association, and today I'm so excited to share some insights about our club and how we support the growth and development of our members. Absolutely. Accounting is not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding the intricacies of financial systems, analyzing data, and making informed decisions. At DAA, our focus aligns seamlessly with these principles. We provide opportunities for our members to deepen their understanding of accounting concepts through workshops, case competitions, and networking events with industry professionals. By honing their skills and knowledge, our members are better equipped to excel in the field of accounting. Experiential learning is crucial for students, especially in the competitive landscape of accounting. Joining clubs like DAA not only enhances resumes, but also fosters the development of both soft and hard skills. From leadership and teamwork to technical proficiency, our club provides a platform for students to grow and thrive. Moreover, being actively involved in clubs like ours opens doors to networking opportunities, internships, and career prospects, giving students a significant advantage in the job market. Certainly, DAA organizes various industry-specific events and networking opportunities throughout the year to connect our members with professionals and employers. One notable event is our annual CPA night, where students have the chance to interact with representatives from the top accounting firms. Additionally, we host office tours, workshops, and networking sessions with industry leaders, providing invaluable insights and connections for our members. Of course, we've had numerous success stories within our club where members have gone to secure internships, co-op placements, and full-time positions at prestigious accounting firms. Our club played a pivotal role in their journey by providing mentorship, networking opportunities, and professional development resources. Through workshops, case competitions, and networking events, our members have been able to showcase their talents, build connections, and ultimately achieve their career goals. If you're passionate about accounting and eager to take your career to new heights, I encourage you to join us and become a part of our vibrant community at the DAA. Together, we'll embark on a journey of growth, learning, and success.